breaking down a federal plea agreement. Right now, we have a great example with Hunter Biden's plea. What has happened is Hunter Biden entered a plea agreement. That agreement is between him and the U.S. Attorney's Office, and then they go to court and present that plea agreement to a federal judge, and that federal judge has to sign off on it as well. So any plea agreement in any federal court requires three parties. One is the person charged, two is the prosecutor of the U.S. government in federal court, and three is that judge. In most plea agreements in federal court, you go to court and the judge has some questions. And also, as part of that plea agreement, there's conditions or considerations given on both sides. Most plea agreements entail a condition that says, we are not going to charge you with any other crime out of this if you enter into this plea agreement. Now, what usually happens in federal court is the judge has questions of both sides, and then they make that decision right there on the spot. What has happened with Hunter Biden is that judge has questions. She has actually delayed the sentencing for 2 weeks and says, I want answers on these. And what she specifically wants is, in relation to that, hey, we're not going to charge you with other crimes. I want more information about that, is what this judge says. And I want y'all to come back to me at a later date and give me that information, and then I'll decide whether or not I'm going to accept this plea deal.